Ayan, hello everyone. I did not expect. I haven't checked my uh, YT Studio, and today I did check. OMG, I saw it. I just loved it. Oh my god. This is so unreal. But I'm very thankful. And no question naman, there is a million views of my puppy, and all my videos. There's a lot of views that people stays lifetime views. So it shows in there that a lot of remix on the videos of my far baby. So it's really cool, and it shows. Oh my god. I never have this. I never have this big, really. So this is the estimated revenue of my pet. Yes, of my channel. I am so happy. Very happy. And yes, looking forward. Yes. Thank you so much sa mga nag-watch ng mga videos namin ni Ace, kasi it shows na kayo ay loyal sa channel ko. Loyal kayo sa akin. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-watch, sa mga nag-view, sa mga videos ko sa YouTube channel. Hindi ako kapaniwala sa ganitong nakikita ko ngayon. So yes, very thankful talaga ako sa nangyayari ngayon. So yes. Thank you very much. Maliit lang ang channel ko, pero may mga nagtitiwala din sa akin. Yes, and I'm very happy. So, and I will continue to post more videos. I will create more of what I've learned. I will share with you all. Yes, hindi lang ang kamaldita ko. Hindi naman ako maldita. Nagmaldita lang ako kung meron ding mga masama dyan sa tabi-tabi. So, yung mga masamang nasa tabi-tabi, nasa inyo yan kung loyal pa rin kayo manood sa mga video ko. Pero maraming salamat talaga. Thank you, bye-bye.